We're in West Green, Montego Bay. This is Island Max. Thank you so much for tuning in. And look at the dust on the road. Mud in the middle here. We're still in the cleanup mode. Look how beautiful Montego Bay is. As the sun is almost in the middle of the sky now. Place is just sun-kissed. It's golden. It's nice. Outside Grand Depot. We're going to Knockalva. Yes, we're going in the Knockalva region of Hanover. So we're going to go up Long Hill. Listen to me, today will be a journey. You can't miss this one. Let me know who's watching the video and where you're watching from. We get the green light. Let's go. Let's keep in the rightmost lane. Potholes are on the left. Listen me, man, we're gonna take on this journey. Head to the comments, big up your areas. Let me know that you love the content, you love Jamaica. That's Herbert Morrison School you're seeing there. All of the fence there has been torn down, and it was building block fence, you know, damaged by the hurricane. Still in recovery mode. Oh, students are there at the school. Yeah, students are there. They lost the roof on one section of the school, but the students are still there. I had to keep so close to the curb, to the median, to avoid the pothole. So we're in the boat area. The switch pond is on the right. I don't know, I think they'll have to move this pond here, you know. So close to Hello supermarket. We're in the ATL. Well, ATL is a little bit ahead. Water Commission is right over there. That's their Western Divisional Office. But we're heading straight up to Knockalva. The road there is not so pretty, but we'll see just how it is. We have to keep in this lane. I know the rule of the road is keep left and pass right, but over that lane is a problematic lane. This is the overpass that they're building. Look at it, man. A lot of work going into Montego Bay. Alright, so we're gonna go into the left lane very soon. Catch the green light? Yes, we can. Switch lanes. And straight ahead, that's Jamaica's tallest building, the Pinnacle. Let's switch lanes. That vehicle is moving, man. Red light, catch us here. Let's go. Look at Pinnacle. You don't see them putting in the finishings on the outside and the towers as yet, but the commercial space is already open. Pothole here, so we have to go into the right lane and then switch back to the left lane. Look out for this hole right here. We made it. And then we're gonna make the left turn onto Long Hill. Beautiful. Fruits. When should I get some fruits? Feel for some pine and some melon. Probably when I come back I'll get some fruits. Long Hill. Road is bad. So it looks like some water damage has taken place here. Glasses. The switch between the trees create this shadow over the road, and then the sunlight and the shadows it kind of making my eyes hurt. So I'm gonna put on my sunglasses, my shades. See me in my Ray-Ban. Alright, straight up Long Hill. One love Jamaica. Love Jamaica, man. That's why we're showing you the beauty. By the way, we have our membership option. Yes, you can become a member now. Sign up for a membership here on Island Max. If you want me to be in your area, to do a quick video of your area, the membership option or the membership feature makes it easier. Signing up for membership also gives you access to members only videos and other premium access options, other perks that we offer here on the channel. So ensure that you sign up for your membership. Yeah, man. If I'm on the beach, like in the water, I'm doing a video, that's a members only video. So ensure that you sign up for a membership on this channel. Thank you so much for your continued support as we grow this community, showing you the beauty of Jamaica. We're still on Long Hill. You see the trees slowly coming back after the hurricane. The hurricane Melissa was October 28th, and we're now in January 2026. Can you believe that? 2026. Remember when it was the year 2000, when everybody, especially that December of 1999, everybody went to church because I said that Jesus was coming in the year 2000, and now we are here in 2026. Welcome. Oh, the community of Belmont is when you turn right here. So we just exited the Long Hill. Anchovy. Also, they're building an overpass here. Whoa. All of this area mash up, man. See the power lines down. They won't have any telephone, landline, or internet lines for flow in this area. If I turned on my right here, that would have carried me to Lethe, where they do the river rafting. All of these things we covered on our channel already, you know, man. Listen me, man. Sign up, man. Ensure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and sign up for our membership that we offer here. Get your membership for Island Max. I'm going to take you on a journey, let you see some areas that you don't normally see. That's our members only. Sign up for it, man. We're still in Anchovy. Traffic right here. Let me turn up the AC, it's getting a bit warm. I'm almost out of water. This is Anchovy. The Anchovy High School is there on the left. The sign is damaged. And we're heading now towards the Anchovy Square. Potholes again, causing the traffic in this area. Power lines down here. Anchovy Courts is on the left. A lovely secure area. I think they're on Airbnb. Beautiful area, man. She doesn't want to pass. Let me continue. Alright, so this is Anchovy Square. We're still in Anchovy. Anchovy Appliance World is here. P-Master is here. All of the road on the left is dug up. They were laying the pipeline, but they haven't fixed it as yet. So vehicles have to be crawling on the road. Look at the condition of the road, man. I hope it will be sorted out pretty soon. Wow. This is a problem, you know, man. Okay. Still in Anchovy. Trust me, it's not pretty on this side of the road. This side of Jamaica, man. Traffic and more traffic. Line ahead of us. It's crazy. It's that cement truck ahead of us that's blocking us. So we're in the Montpelier region now. Whoa, it's pretty tricky. So if you're coming to Jamaica and you're heading to the Knockalva region, or Anchovy region, this is what you have to encounter. Poor road conditions and traffic, and more traffic. It's a cement truck that is ahead of us. Water now. I don't like to travel without water, so I'm gonna have to get some water on the road. Still in Mount Carey. Still in St. James. Still in Mount Carey, just outside the Mount Carey Health Center. But by the way, the GPS has been moving quickly, you know. Even though we see lines down here, these lines are the cable lines, but the power lines, which are higher up, they are already here. This area has power. The GPS team has been moving very quickly. Places like Irwin have now received electricity, going straight up to, well, to Moore Park, still awaiting electricity. And they're moving pretty quickly. More than 80% of affected customers have their electricity restored. Again, remember to sign up for membership on the channel, man. Be a member of the channel to enjoy the different perks, members only video, etc. is what Triumphant Deliverance Center here in Montpelier on the right. Jack Auto Parts and Garage is on the right. And look at that big ditch over there on the right. My God. Man, this road is, listen to me. This road has been total. Look at this. It's like we're on a dirt track going into some farm area. My God, Montpelier mash up, man. And Montpelier. This road has been total right off. So there you have it. I'm not sure I will be able to pass Montpelier. This road will tire you out, man. My, we're in Montpelier now. that's Montpelier blue hole there on the left. Bumpy, but a little relief here. Remember the trip that we did to St. Elizabeth and we drove through here? Let me show you where we drove through. Here on your left to Chester Castle. If you're from these areas or know these areas, head to the comments, man. Big up your areas. greenhouses on the right are damaged. Shuttlewood, we're in the Shuttlewood area. And there's traffic here. On the right, you drive to go to Cops. Doing some cleanup here. Grove here. Here we are now in the Knockalva area. Wow, this was a journey. Cool Oasis gas station here damaged. Again, do remember you can send your gifts through Super Chat. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for becoming a member. This is Knockalva. The high school is there on the left, and ahead is the Polytechnic College. This is what Knockalva looks like. what a ramble area looks like. Thanks for tuning in as we keep on showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. We're gonna stop right at the top there. We can turn to go Mount Peter. What do you know about these areas? Right here, we can drive to go to Mount Peter's. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Tap on the video you're now seeing on the screen. Later.